Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for us to unbox the iPhone SR. Yes, let's get inside. All right, people, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. I just have my morning coffee. It's very strong. This is the iPhone SR. This is the latest iPhone from Apple. And honestly, this is a cheap iPhone. So if you don't have money, you have to buy this iPhone. It's cheaper than the other ones. Me, of course, I am rocking the Sezi Go iPhone right here. So just want to show you people right here. But anyway, let's go ahead and open the box and check it out. I know some of you like the plastic sound, so I'll give it to you. Here we have the 64GB version of the iPhone. Look at it here. We have the red. I got to move it closer to the camera. Can you see? Yes, there we go. And then we're going to open the box. Inside, we have a material, product red. This is very nice, I like it because they donate, to all the people who are starving and hungry. Hello, and we have a SIM 2 and sticker. If you people like sticker, that's fine. Sorry, that coffee is very strong. Inside is our iPhone. We have the red iPhone right here. See it here, Sezi. I'll keep it sideways. We also have the power adapter. You can see it. And we have a headphone. This is the lightning headphones. It does not come with adapter inside. So just to see you here, there's no adapter for the headphones. It's strange. And we have a USB to lightning cable right here. So that's it. So some of you are wondering why I went with the red iPhone, right? Just take the plastic off. So for me, red signifies a lot of power, and it's my favorite color. You can see my heart, power. But anyway, this is the iPhone. It's red. We have a single camera. This is a 12 MP camera at the back. First of all, I don't understand why Booredatwork is making me do these videos. I should be in charge of this thing. Sorry, I'm sorry. They call it ranting, but I'm very fed up. Please save me from this job. It's very stressful. So anyway, we have the front screen here, and then power button. We have a volume, and we have a lock. I like this red though. See, like it just matches my skin. See, very nice, nice shade. Anyway, let's go ahead and power it on. Wow, so I did not know this beautiful magic. I have my other iPhone here, and I can use it to set up the iPhone. This is wonderful. Steve Jobs, thank you. This guy just loves me. Look at it. So we have fire on our SR, as you can see here. And right now, this thing is running very smooth. It's running the A12 processor, very fast. It's sharp. And I don't understand. I know this is supposed to be cheaper, but it's looking very nice though. I like the red, but this bezel is very thick. I can't even see the notch. The notch there. What do you call that notch thing? You can see the notch a little bit on this. But when I look at it next to my gold, my gold iPhone, it says it though. It says the iPhone right here, so you can see side by side. Anyway, let's take a look at the camera. It has a single camera here. Where's the camera? Okay, here's the camera. So it's the camera app. Don't allow. We have all the standard features. So I can take a selfie, a swish. I hold my drink like this and I take a selfie. Thank you very much. I can do this coffee is strong. Portraits. So you can see all the pictures. Yeah, it does selfie, it does portrait, front and back. But it cannot do portrait anyway. That's all for it, folks. So you can see this is the iPhone SR. We have it in red. Oh, by the way, there are many colors. There's red, which I have here. There's also blue. I don't know why you buy blue. There's yellow. If you have, I don't know, if you like yellow shirts or something. There is orange or coral. I think it's coral, or is it coral or coral? There's no pink. There's white and black. So there are many colors you can pick from. But I think if you like yourself, buy the red. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching. Apple, if you're watching this video, please sign me to contract. I need phones. I'm pressing the stuff again. So till next time, subscribe and always enjoy your entertainment. Thank you. And always drink coffee in the morning.